goes. Fall asleep. Here it comes. Zozo, get over here. Fell asleep sitting up. Did you see that? We missed the first 2 times she did it. That's terrible. Zozo, move. Zoe. You woke him up. He's not gonna do it again. Watch. Zoe. Go lay down, Zoe. Go.
It's gonna be on TV, nigga.
Squish, shut up.
Get Zozo out of there.
You guys are so mean. That's cute. That's not mean.
I think we should hurry up with their bedding so we can put them to sleep.
If I could get the other clothes, you guys send that to the funniest videos.
That's cute.
To the animals.
Good night, pup.